Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this session, we'll be looking at the introduction to Python programming. Python is one of the most used programming languages outside there, and it is basically used web development, mobile programming, AI, and so many other platforms that it has been used. A Python program can be used to create Android applications. It can also be used to create desktop applications. And if you're interested in learning this Python programming, then you are much welcome to my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video so that I can be able to make more videos, and this will motivate me a lot. Another thing that I want to say is that in this video, I expect you to have watched the previous video where I show how to set up VS Code. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So what I will do is that I will open my computer and go to new volume E. I'll create a folder here, the folder that you'd be using to do our programming in this tutorial. So I'll name the folder Python. Then open the Python folder, go inside, and at the top here, I can just type cmd, that is command prompt, and this one will open up. What I'll do, so that I want to open the VS Code, this is a shortcut, or this is a better way to open VS Code rather than going the long way. So I'll type code, then dot, then click enter. It will automatically open VS Code in that directory. It will open VS Code in that directory. You can close this welcome message. Then this is how it will look at like your first time opening it. And what I'll do is that I'll come at the top here and click where it says new file, or just click files and click new file. When you click new file, you'll have this option. You can write any Python program. So I can write, for example, print into bracket, then quotes, quotation marks. Then inside here, I can write hello world. This is the first program that I have written based on Python way of writing programs. So I'll just save the code. And for me to be able to save the code, I just write the name of the code, hello world. You can save using any other name, not of must that you use hello world. Then make sure you have an extension that is .py. Then you click enter. When you click enter, you have saved your Python program successfully. The next thing is that we want to run this Python program that we have written on our text editor. Then you come at the top here where it is written run. You click there. You can click run without debugging or start debugging. So I'll click start debugging. Then, sorry for that. Then after that, just come at the right hand corner at the top here, click this button like a play button, then click that so that you can be able to run your Python program. When you click run, you can be able to see from the terminal that your program has been run, or it has been compiled successfully. Down here, you can be able to see it has been compiled successfully and it has printed the text that we have entered at the top here. So for example, what if we enter another type of text? For example, we enter print, then open brackets, then inside here, welcome to ProVoice. Then click save, Control S, or you can just come at the top here and click save. Then do the same, click the play button at the top right hand corner here, click that, and you realize that the two texts have been printed down here in the terminal. That's how you can be able to write your first program on Python, and that's how you can be able to compile your Python program or to run your Python program. See you in the next video.